Oh look, another 6 screw tube. It looks like we have a 2004 CRJ 700. As you can see, the APU back here is leaking oil. That's nasty. Auxiliary power unit is located back here, and we got to open up these latches right here. There's 4 of them. Once you got those open, this whole door slides open, exposing the goodness once again. And there's your APU. As you can see, it's pretty dirty in here. A little wet, but I'm not seeing anything major right now. There's your oil level here. It's full, so she's not leaking that bad. So we're gonna clean everything up, run it, and see where it's leaking from.